Hi all. In this video, how can we create a simple template and document type using Umbraco backoffice? In this video, we will discuss how can we create hello world in the front end. So for that one, we will go in the document types. There's are two things. First of all, if you can see, if you are clicking over here three dots, so it is asking there are no document type available for creating content. You must create these document types with the settings section. So for that one, I'm just visiting in the settings. There's a document type. I'm creating the one document type. I am choosing document type with template. I will discuss it in more details in my future video. Here I'm put it the home. By this one I can choose the icon, or I can search over here home. I can also choose the color of this icon. So I'm choosing this one, and once whatever the name I will pick over here, it will create a alias name over here with the log. The alias name is always be start with the small letter, but if you want to change it, you can change by from here. But by default, Umbraco follows such kind of practice. So if I am changing is home root, the H is always be the first letter is always be a small. Whatever you will type over here, by default it will be keep first letter will be small. It's called the alias name of this document type. Here I'm choosing the home, so it again changing it with the home. I'm doing. I am just saving this one. After saving it has been created. There's a few section. Enable list view, we will discuss it later on. There is a permission. So as it is a first node, so we can use as a root node. So I can click over here, allow as a root. You can, as I have picked document type with template, so our templates is associated with this one. I'm just doing the save. I'm saving this permission over here. If I'm clicking over here open, so it will show some kind of snip code over here with layout null. And we are not going to use any kind of master template. We will discuss it later. Currently I'm just printing a hello world by this page. I'm creating the save. As you can see, I have I can click over here and do editing by itself, but it is where it is available. It is available in the views home.chtml path. So we can approach and we can see this template under the templates folder. It will always be there. Whatever the template you will create through this one, you can it will be automatically appear over here, or you can also see this one in your Visual Studio Code. In the Visual Studio Code, it should be appear over here, and the same code will reflect over here. Even if I'm change anything like h2 visual editing. So and I just currently it is not saved. Once it will be saved, it will automatically reflect over here. I'm just refreshing this one. It will. So it will be the vice versa. Either you can edit any content, any logic in Visual Studio as well as over here. It will reflect both places at the same time. So in the content, now I am over here. Previously, it not showing any kind of document type. Now it is showing the home because it falls the root content of the project. So I'm choosing this one, writing the name home. As you can see, home page. I'm putting the home page. This is my first content. Currently, it is not published. That's why it is showing this item is not published. There's no URL. Once I will publish it, it will be create a URL for this page. By default, it's showing the template. The same template I can click and open it from here also. The same for the document type, but currently I didn't save it, so it is asking for the save. First of all, save this thing. In this drop down, you can see schedule publish with recents, but we will discuss it later on. Currently, I am clicking on the save and publish. Once I click the save and publish, so it is saving this content, as well as it is it will show a URL for this page, or you can say the links of this page. Here it will show all the history of the gene. Because it is a first node and it is a root node, it is showing the slash in the bottom screen. And if I'm clicking over here, it will display the first page, the same page I have written over there, hello world and visual editing. Thank you guys. For the next video, we will discuss how can we create a document type with some property editors or some data types. By that way, we can create a dynamic page and change the content from the back office or the content section.